Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to Ikea. So join us. And once again, I want to say thank you so much. I'm almost 900 subscribers. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and tell me what you think about this video. Okay, see you. And join me as I take on the ultimate Ikea challenge with the whole family. And can we navigate the amazing and assemble our dream kitchen without losing our mind? So join us. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and tell us what you think about this video. So relax and join us whilst we are in the IKEA looking for our dream kitchen. And see you. What is the F called?
with everything here.
That's basically how you see it, yeah.
It comes with all the jet machine and
Yes, exactly. That's basically what it shows there. But it shows you the separate prices, the materials, the worktops, and then the appliances.
So if I want only this and not all the appliances,
That's the worktop, that's the bottom.
that is 2,000.
No, that's the you mean the appliances?
No, without
the
the
worktop
appliance.
is the bottom one, 270.
Two.
They're standard sizes. The worktop here costs 270 euros because they just use standard sizes and they cut them, so it's not custom made.
Okay.
We sell them up to 246.
You sell this also?
Yeah, that's separate. Yeah. That's part of the materials. That's part of this one.
So it will be this one. If I don't want all everything.
They're not shown separate. I can't tell you what price it is for this one.
No. I mean, if I can say I want 3,500 without this one.
Sure.
The two
It doesn't apply to this setup, but you can buy cabinets without any appliances. That's up to you.
And when the fix is 6,980.
Yeah, for this one that would be the price. Yeah.
But every price is different.
Yeah.
So can we see something without, because we have two stills, so can we see something without selling with the two stills?
Well, then you just have the price there without the appliances. So that would be basically the total price that you would see for the materials without this one.
So it can be like 4,000 euros.
About 4,000 then, yeah, without the appliances.
Okay. And this one is also with.
That's included in the price. Yeah.
But we cannot ask the people to come and check our place. We have to see in the kitchen from here to here.
That's something you have to measure. And then you just make sure that there's a lot to.
And if we
take
don't
into
want
account.
this texture, they can give us another.
We have different ones. Yeah. Where you were at basically when you talk to me, there's a setup with all the different colors. You can take a look there.
Okay, we will go.
All right.
Okay, thank you
So
very
it
much.
will come with everything. The wash machine.
Well, that would be the price shown there. So this setup included. No, that's the table. It's just the kitchen.
It's different.
Yeah. So basically, the kitchen setup is basically like that's not included.
Yeah.
Because that's not part of the kitchen.
Yeah, we don't need that one.
No, it makes the kitchen.
We're talking about cabinets, worktop, appliances.
Yeah. But this one is it's different.
Yeah, it's not part of the kitchen apartment.
With the fridge, everything comes.
Yeah, that would be the price there
The
for
price
this
is,
setup, as an
yeah.
example.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. Bye.